Hey everybody, thanks for joining me once again. It's a cold one, but I gotta do it. I'm gonna do some Facebook Marketplace exchanging meetups. I'm gonna be going to Walmart and I'm gonna do it the safe way, and I want you guys to follow along so you can see how to actually do this safely. So I got my little truck and it's got a couple little items in here. We're gonna go up there, we're gonna park in a safe place, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. Always be careful and be observant of your surroundings. So what we're gonna do is, all I'm taking today is, I'll show you. It's just basically, let's get the camera turned around. So basically all I'm taking up there today is just a portable trampoline and a portable desktop air cooler, which I've negotiated prices with the customers, and they're gonna meet me up there in about 30 minutes or so. So we're gonna head on up there, fight the traffic, and get this started. So guys, I made it to Walmart. I'm here waiting for my customer to arrive. As you can see, this is a good place to stop and make the exchange because there's lots of activity going on around. There's a gas station right over there, people coming and going. It's cold out there. And there's, cars going up and down here, so I think this would be the safe thing to do, is stop in a place like this, just to be on the safe side. Chances of something happening, you don't know. I'm not willing to take that chance. Are you? So we'll go ahead and wait for the customer to arrive, and I'll get the GoPro on me, and we'll see how this goes. Later. So we're here waiting. She said she's gonna be in a blue Mazda hatchback, but we'll see. I'll stay down there for a little while. It's like there's another guy waiting to do a meetup. People smart these days. Phew, it's cold, guys, but what do you do? As you can see, we got the Walmart right down here. I don't want to get caught up down in there because it's easier just to be right here. There's people standing, waiting over there. We got security driving down that way. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and get back in the truck because it's cold out here. And then hopefully she'll be coming soon, like she said she would be. Oh, so I'm still waiting, which is not a problem. Since I'm retired, there's like not too many other things to do. I guess once she finally gets here, we'll get the ball rolling, and then I gotta go get some lunch. So we'll see. Hey.
Yeah. Eating, and I was like, oh my god, I've got him halfway through lunch.
Oh no, I'm retired. You're good. She is here. Let's get this thing out of the truck. See if we can get it in a little car. There should be more than enough room to get it in there.
I would think so, but I can always drop that seat. Will it fit in there now? Do the other one.
It may. Well, no.
Let's do this one. It's amazing what these things can carry.
Oh, I know.
I've carried hay on the back of this.
I know.
Awful to get out.
Oh yeah.
That's gonna work fine.
Look at you. You got extra room to spare.
Oh, what else you got?
What else you need?
Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. Anytime.
Yeah. just follow me on the Facebook, and I got all kinds of stuff.
Right.
Too much stuff to mention. I'm cleaning out my garage and sheds and
Yes.
downsizing without selling a house.
I know exactly.
I'm sure you do.
We've been there 26 years.
Same as us.
We have a barn. I have it upstairs in the barn.
Oh, no.
Yeah,
That's too much.
Yeah, you know.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Well, I made it to Captain D's. I'm about to get on in here and get me some fish down here in Covington, Georgia. Let's see what kind of deals they got in here. But it's cold, so let's get on in here without further ado.
How you doing?
All right, now they got you holding down the whole front end all by yourself. What? I still know I'm gonna get some good quality service
Yeah, right.
every time I come. I just want to get that the 2-piece. Yeah, 2-piece fish and fries.
Okay, for here?
Yeah, that's for here.
All right. Would you care for anything to drink?
Sweet tea.
All right. And you want to add 5 shrimp for $1.99?
Not yet.
$9.61.
So see
This side, baby.
see how I feel after I eat.
This side.
Oh, see how I feel after I eat that.
I got you. You need sauce?
This tartar sauce, please. Ooh, talking about quick, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
I ain't had,
Stand back now.
I ain't had time to think about sitting down. All right now. Excuse me. Look at that. About to do it, y'all. So guys, I'm heading out of here now. I'm done with my drop-offs. I had my fish. I'm gonna head to the truck and I'm gonna head on back to the house. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. So you can see how easy it is to go ahead and get a drop-off safely at Walmart with Facebook Marketplace. But always be careful and carry a camera or two with you. We'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Bye.